I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sangria. First, select your favorite fresh fruits like oranges, lemons, and apples, ensuring they are ripe and ready. Next, pick a good quality dry red wine. A Spanish Tempranillo or Garnacha works wonderfully. Finally, prepare a simple syrup to control the sweetness, mixing equal parts sugar and water until dissolved. This foundation ensures a delicious base for your sangria. Now let's combine everything. Slice your chosen fruits into thin rounds or small wedges, making them easy to muddle and release their flavors. In a large pitcher, pour in the full bottle of red wine, about 1/4 cup of brandy, and 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice. Stir in the simple syrup gradually, tasting as you go to achieve your desired level of sweetness. This careful mixing is key. Once mixed, it's time for the magic of infusion. Gently add all your sliced fruits into the pitcher with the liquid mixture. Give it a good, gentle stir to ensure all the fruits are submerged and the flavors can meld together. Now, cover the pitcher and refrigerate your sangria for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling period is crucial for the flavors to fully develop. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly crafted sangria. Before serving, give it one last gentle stir. Pour the sangria over ice into individual glasses, ensuring each serving gets a good mix of fruit. Garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice for an extra touch of elegance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Cheers to your delicious homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.